Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome back to another short tutorial. This time I want to walk through the latest change as it relates to working with marked highs and marked lows in the trend following indicator. We can see here on this chart when we refer to marked highs, we have both the price and percent change, and the same idea applies down here to a marked low. We have the option to go in and change that. For example, we can scroll down here to the bottom and we can say only show us a triangle where there's a marked high and marked low. So you can see the historical marked highs and marked lows. However, to help reduce the noise on the chart, I've added a new option right here called show only the most recent marked highs and marked lows. So when we do that, you'll see that the historical data is gone and we only have the most recent values that are shown here. And this also applies if you choose to only show the triangles for the marked highs and not the price and percent change. So if you choose that option, you'll see here, you'll only see the most recent marked high and marked low. And of course, as before, the options to turn off the lines at support and resistance are still there and they're still applicable. Those only apply to the most recent values. So I hope you find that helpful. I appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next video.